pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. I hope that you will stay and watch the video and tell me your thoughts on this Boxy Premium for January 2021. I'm going to be unboxing her today and I have a lot to talk about. Okay, let's open her up. Here she is. Oh, look at this. Okay, I think I chose the Fenty concealer. I'm not sure. Let's see. There is a card in here, and we all know that the variation numbers are not normal anymore, so I can't really tell you much about that. All right, so we got the, which we all got, I found out, the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, which has been causing an irritation. I will put the link to my video in here if you'd like to know more about that. I won't be using this, not even patch testing it. This is what it looks like. They have had it in several different stores. It's sold out in Sephora and on the Summer Fridays. That's the product brand. It's sold on their website as well. It was also sold out. The value of it was $48. It's a lot. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. The first thing I pull out is a Tarte. Oh yes, setting spray. I forgot to pick that up at Ulta, so this is good. This is a good thing. All right, Tarte setting spray, $23. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine continuous vegan super fruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. Okay, so I usually use matte setting sprays. This kind of smells like paint to me. All right, we'll see how she works. She has a $23 value, like I said. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I see Silver Pure PMD Silver Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. It's reusable, it's antibacterial, it says, and provides anti-aging benefits. Really? How? Okay. I don't really like these because to me, they're actually pushing the product in your skin instead of removing it like a gritty kind of cleanser would or a makeup remover. This is what it looks like. It looks like a pot holder. All right, it has a $30 value. Okay. I think you're supposed to wash them first too, right? Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. So maybe you wet this one and put your makeup remover with it. It would work better. I don't know. It says it's a makeup removing cloth, so I'm assuming it's like the makeup eraser. If you know more about this, please put that in the comments below. That would really help me out. Okay, let's see. The next thing I see is Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick. Ooh, okay. Yes, $32 value. It's heavy. Let's see what color I got. Look at the packaging. That's pretty neat. It's got one of those. I love that. Okay. This is not my color. Nope. Yeah, no. Okay, we'll be doing something with this, and it won't be putting it on my lips. I told you the value is $32. Okay, I do see the OFRA palette that we all wanted. Manifest Good to Glow. Manifest. Oh, that's cute. Good to Glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring OFRA's best-selling highlighter, all of the lights. Oh, okay. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. It has a value of $39. Let us open her up because I do know on their website for a while they had this at half price, just so you know. So if you didn't get it and you want to pick it up, check it out there because it was like $19.50. This is a mini palette. Here it is. It looks gorgeous. Although some of the maybe these are magnetic. Oh, they are magnetic. They come out. Okay. There's some really pretty colors in here. Look at this green. Wow. Okay. Put that on the hand. Then we've got a nice bronze. Put that next to it. We've got a blush contour. These look like they're shadows. Let's just see what this highlighter does. Look at this highlighter. It's like several colors in one. So let's go ahead and there they are. What do you think? I like that the top says smile, you are beautiful. That's pretty. There's some, let's see. Let's get a makeup wipe here. Test out some of these other colors here. I think this was the big thing that everybody wanted. That and the Fenty. Okay. Let's use, my hands dry a minute here. Let's go in with this top row of colors. That one. This red looking one. I don't know what, wait a minute here. Where's the color for the mattes? Ah, look, this here is the very first one in the palette, the second one up top, and then this one here is the last one after the green, and that's barely showing up. See on my fingers? What is going on here? That is strange. Okay. This color wasn't showing up. Let's see what it does with a brush. I mean, if you got this palette, you want it to work, right? Okay, on the brush here. Put it on my hand. That's what it does. It's blending fine, but it doesn't have the vibrancy you would think it would. Okay. Which might be all right, because to be honest with you, I don't think if it was brighter, it would look right on me, to be honest with you. However, some of you might be disappointed here. Overall, I'm super happy that I got this palette. I cannot wait to try the contour, the blush, the other colors. So, okay, let's see what the last item I got was. I did tell you what it was worth, $39. It was on the OFRA website for like $18.50, and now Fenty Beauty, let me say it right, Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is in lavender. Let me open them. Oh my gosh, the packaging is always stunning on her products. Look at that. Do you see that? That is amazing. It's beautiful. Okay, let's open her up. See if I can smell anything through this. I don't really smell anything. Let's put some in the top here. Okay, so in the top, let's just take my finger. It's got to be a translucent, I would hope. Hi, are you translucent? Versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. Okay, so you know what? Instead of my finger here, let's grab a brush. Grab a little like kabuki kind of brush. And we'll try her out. Oh, there is a little bit of a scent to it. Almost smells like Play-Doh to me. That's kind of weird. I will definitely be using this, and hopefully it works really well. I have to say though, it's not completely translucent. It's going to leave behind a little bit of whiteness. Maybe that's why they meant it brightens. I don't know. But I'm not sure it'd be good for every skin tone. Okay, so let's recap because I'm super excited about this. Okay, we got the Fenty Beauty non-translucent setting powder. We got the OFRA palette that may be okay. We got the setting mist, which I'm super happy about. We got the lipstick in the color I will never wear. And then we have the PMD makeup remover cloth. Okay, the value of this box I will put on the screen. Tell me your thoughts now. Oh, the jet mask. See, I forgot about it because I knew I wasn't going to use it anyway. Where did I put it? I didn't like throw it in the garbage, did I? I don't even know where I put that jet mask. I just knew I wasn't touching it. It's probably around here somewhere. You know that it's in the box. Okay, guys, put your thoughts down below. And I want to take the time to say thank you for watching this video, for hanging out with me for a few minutes, for hearing what I have to say about Boxy Premium. Super sad about the mask, hoping that Boxycharm will fix it with something else other than charms. What do you think? Do you guys get happy when they give you charms? Because to me, when you go to the charm room, there's usually barely anything in there and everything's at full price. So, all right, guys, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I will see you again real soon. Oh, wait, I got another announcement. Your giveaway came. If you guys have not seen my video on the spoilers for next month, I will put a link to it in here. I decided to do a spoiler giveaway with one of the Huda palettes, and I chose the mint one because a lot of you were like, the olive needs more olives. It needs more green. So I thought, you know what? Because I love you all so much, I will do a giveaway if I can even get this palette out here to show you. With this, I think it's either $27 or $29. It's the Pastel Mints. And this is what she looks like. So one of you will be winning that. If you have not entered that giveaway or seen that video, definitely hop on over there. All right, guys, now I think I'm done. I will see you real soon. Bye. Love you.